You want it echo or do you want it reverb?
We'll do echo. Echo white noise. We'll do echo white noise. If you talk to us through this box, we'll be able to hear you. Cool. So what is your name? You gotta take the white noise out. Sorry. My name's Brian, so who's right here beside me? Phil. Yeah, Phil.
I got Daryl too.
I heard Phil.
So what is your name?
Phil.
Yeah, we know Phil's here.
What?
I'm making out. It's. Where are you at?
Help.
Help.
I just got a cold chill.
Yeah. Getting cold chills in this hot place.
Who's here with us right now? Just gave us a cold chill. Oh, now you're gonna get all quiet. Rob.
Somebody said fucker.
Throwing these words out. I don't know.
One at a time. How do you know Phil?
Owen?
That's some weird.
Daryl.
Daryl heard that twice.
Hey.
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 So are you here, Daryl?
Listen.
Doc?
Do it.
A lot of mixed.
A lot of mixed.
We can just keep walking.
Wow, you got to give us a little more concrete, straightforward sentence.
Yep.
Okay, you understand it, then do it.
Ghost. Ghost.
Okay, well, that's fine.
You know that has something about like Gary Eaton?
Gary Eaton?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's dead.
Yeah, it sounds about like Gary Eaton, don't it?
Yeah, if he says bitch and stuff like that.
Slut. Slut. Yeah.
Gary, are you here? Cuss at me, Gary, if you're here. Call me something, Gary. Okay, that works.
Slut?
Slut.
Yeah.
Blake.
Like or
Blake. Blake or Blake? Brad.
Yeah. They named people that's worked here before.
Yeah. It's him.
What?
No, I said it's him.
Say who? Gary.
Gary.
What you doing, Gary?
See?
Why are you back here, Gary?
Pussy?
Pussy. Yep.
Yeah, that's
You're not
him.
gonna do that here, Gary. You're kind of a different situation right now.
Phil.
Yeah, Phil.
Yeah, see, it's come.
Bambi?
Bambi.
Bambi. Poor bitch.
Bambi. I don't know. There's so many people that's worked here. I don't know.
And it could have been people they knew, too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, I mean, when you talk to your coworkers or something, they knew Gary. Maybe he was seeing some girl named Bambi.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, that's him. That's his voice.
Oh, yeah.
Cat. I'm hearing cat. We heard the cat. It's in the other part of the building. Kid.
Yeah.
Yeah, you. I want to talk to the little kid. What's your name? I want to talk to the little kid. Give me your name.
Mike.
Bud. Bud.
I didn't catch it. Off of,
Is your name Bud?
no. Hey. That's different. Baby. Dean.
Team.
Makes you
Team.
faint.
So, is the team doing a good job?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does somebody have kidney problems?
Yeah.
Me.
No, Gary.
Well, Gary did too.
Yeah, Gary had
Okay.
kidney problems.
I'm picking that up right now.
Yeah. Dialysis.
Did he drink? Did he drink? Or he has kidney problem?
He drank. He drank some, but yeah, he drank. But he didn't drink like a fish.
Yeah.
Had a heart attack. Then he stepped on a toenail. He got an infection in his foot, so they had to chop his leg halfway off. His kidney shut down. He was on home dialysis for a while. They finally passed away. But Gary used to work with me all the time.
Yeah. Me.
What?
It's not like you said me.
Me?
Yeah. Not like when you say Gary.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not like his voice.
I'm going to try reverb.
Yeah.
Turn that off.
Leg.
Leg.
Leg. Yeah,
Yeah,
leg.
leg.
Gary. Gary, if this is you, what do you always call Phil?
What?
Pal, Bud, I don't know.
Cocksucker. Cocksucker.
Yep. That's yeah, he's coming through.
Yeah.
Who else is here with you, Barry?
Oh, Gary.
Oh, sorry. Who else is here with you, Gary?
I got that.
Say it again, Gary.
Doc. Is Doc still alive?
Yeah, as far as I know, Doc's still alive. Right, how I can...
You got a bunch going on.
Yeah, a lot of jumping around. Nothing.
No, the Gary's coming through.
Is Deb Stanley here?
No.
Is Deb Rice here?
I'm not sure.
Foot.
What?
Foot. Nope.
There's a lot going through.
Huh?
There's a lot going through.
Is Jim here?
That's Gary again.
What?
There's Gary talking. You can tell his muffled voice.
Yeah.
Foot again. Fine. Gary? I know your name. Do you know mine? Can you say my name?
He laughed. Or laughed. Gary, to make sure that's you, say Phil again.
There it was.
There's Phil right there. Hey Gary, can you call Phil a Gary, can you call Phil a cocksucker? No.
Gary, we already know you're here. Who's the kid?
Bob came up. Bob came up again.
Why is a kid here? This don't make any sense for a kid to be here. You just wander in? Did he live close to here?
Does they train?
Train or my name, I'm not too sure.
See, it's that building up over here too. The big red building that used to be over here.
Yeah.
There might have been some stuff from there coming over here.
Yeah.
Something's here, but I don't.
I'm cold on the back.
I've had it on my back, I've had it on my hand, and I could have swore I saw something move through here.
That's why I started walking over that way. If I seen something move.
Are we seeing the kid? Is Is that a yes?
I'm thinking of yes. I haven't seen nothing hit that K2 yet either.
Yeah, that'd be nice. Go over there and light that K2 meter up. Or touch Phil.
Yeah, just sit there with something. That's all metal and shit. Ain't gonna do nothing. That's what we'll do. We'll set it right there. Now, can you light that K2 up for us? All you gotta do is touch it, and it should light up. Can you touch it for us? We'll stop that for a second.